Hello beautiful people, I'm Polly from Charming Tabby. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make those beautiful vintage cards that you can use in a lot of projects. So please subscribe for my channel and like this video because it will help me to develop my channel more. So let's get started. It's going to be very short, this video, I hope so, and it's going to be very interesting. I'm going to use Distress Oxide inks actually I didn't choose the colors. You can choose whatever color that you like. I mean, I took those colors randomly. I have to be specific, and I'm going to use those stamps. To make it. For this one I'm going to use the red stamps. I'm not the red, I mean faded jeans, the blue one. It's very easy to make it. Okay, I am happy with the result. What is the next step? I'm going to take this little brush and put a little bit of this here, starting to smudge it like this. Smudge, smudge, smudge. Again. Okay. And now I'm going to use this beautiful, my favorite, Distress ink. And this one is done. There it is. Looks very beautiful and goes with the rest, as you can see. And let's make another one with the red and probably this big leaf. Just remove this blue one. Wow. It's going to be very beautiful. Oops. Wow. Okay. Let me take a little bit. I'm using right now candy apple. You can use whatever color you like. I'm sorry for the phone that started to ring. Okay, and now I'm going to put a lot, because this is my favorite one. I love it. Everything looks so vintage. And let me smudge it a little bit. Okay, so I'm done, and I hope that you like this video. Let me just show you the whole sets of vintage papers that I made. There it is. So see you in my next video. One more time, please subscribe and like this video. Bye bye guys.